Good day to you. This is the weather broadcast from the Met Studio at GMIT for today, July 3rd, 2025. We'll start off with our surface analysis, and we observe quite a few tropical waves out in the tropical Atlantic. But of concern for the region is this one near 55 degrees west on its approach towards the area. And as we move on to our satellite imagery, we observe moisture ahead of this tropical wave already affecting the islands to the south of the Lesser Antilles. We are observing this band, which is on approach to Dominica and the islands to the north into the afternoon. And as we zoom in a little closer to home, skies were generally occasionally cloudy throughout the day so far across the island. And our radar imagery indicated no shower activity across Dominica during the morning so far. However, off the screen into the east, we observe moisture in the east approaching the Lesser Antilles associated with this tropical wave. Today, very little Saharan dust is being observed across the area, and is expected to continue into tonight as this dense plume moves in behind the tropical wave. This is expected to linger into Saturday. Therefore, those of you with respiratory sensitivities, even the wider public, should be on alert for this particular dust event. The tonight's weather is expected to be mostly cloudy with scattered showers and possible isolated thunderstorms as the tropical wave moves across the area. Those of you in areas prone to flooding, landslides, and falling rocks do continue to be on the alert. The Met Service will continue to monitor the evolution of the weather and will issue a watch or warning in terms of flooding if conditions become necessary. Temperatures tonight are expected to be down to about 24 degrees Celsius in coastal communities and 22 degrees Celsius in the interior. Tomorrow, some weak instability is expected in the area, and the weather is expected to be partly cloudy to cloudy with some scattered showers, particularly during the afternoon. We do expect it to be hazy as well. Temperatures are expected to peak up to 32 degrees Celsius in western communities, 26 degrees Celsius in the interior, and 30 degrees Celsius in eastern communities. Winds are expected out of the east-southeast through southeast near 30 kilometers per hour with occasional gusts, particularly in elevated areas. Seas over the next 24 hours are expected to remain slight to moderate. Waves are expected to be about 5 feet today, increasing to about 7 feet overnight and into tomorrow along the eastern coast. Waves are expected to be up to about 3 feet along the western coast. The first high tide tomorrow will be at 12:25 p.m. and the first low tide at 6:18 a.m. And looking ahead, some weak instability is expected to linger into Saturday, resulting in some cloudy skies and scattered showers with a slight chance of isolated thunderstorms during the morning. Conditions are expected to improve as you go into the afternoon. By Sunday, the presence of a trough system could support some cloudy skies with scattered showers and isolated thunderstorms as well. Some uncertainty remains in the forecast due to the presence of the dust haze, and we will continue to monitor as to see how it affects the moisture levels across the area. Temperatures into the weekend are expected to be about 31 to 32 degrees Celsius during the day, dropping to about 25 degrees Celsius at night. Winds are expected to be out of the east-northeast through northeast near 30 kilometers per hour, and we expect our seas to be down to about 5 feet on the eastern coast into the weekend. The sun will rise tomorrow at 5:39 a.m. and will set at 6:40 p.m. For updated information, hop into our WhatsApp channel. You can gain access by scanning this QR code, or visit our Facebook or Instagram platforms at Dominica Met, or visit our website at weather.gov.dm. Remember that we are in the hurricane season. Stay informed and be prepared. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time.